All right, so we got an interesting one here. You learn things every day. So, well, I already kind of knew about this. I had done this before, but I don't think it ruined a power supply. So the customer, I gave him this power supply with all the wires plugged into the other power supply and everything. What you'll see here is if I can plug this connector here, and I can get the tap. You see right there, we got 58 volts. So this capacitor is holding a charge in there at 58 volts. So it's coming in 115 or 120 from the wall. I jumped this fuse because he blew a fuse. And then from there, it's gonna, somewhere it's gonna rectify it to DC. So this is gonna be 115 or 120 DC. And then it'll step down here and put it from DC to DC. And that's where you're gonna get your 48 volts power. So, real quick, this power supply, once I jumped it, I plugged it in, heard a huge pop here. And man, it was so loud. And I could see the spark right around here. And then I noticed, so I just showed you that capacitor is good. If I put the taps on this one, they're both probably plugged into the same junction. But that one's reading 0, and that's probably where the pop came from. Now, this is a common issue. I've seen, again, I've done this before, but I don't think it ruined a power supply. What we're looking at is from the side here, there's a mounting screw right there. And I'm going to show you a photo from the internet, from like Reddit, where someone did the same thing. They tried to mount it. They had a screw too long. It goes in, and I can see it just right there. I'm going to pull this capacitor out, but it looks like he might have just screwed enough in there. You can see it's ripped. Right down, let's see. Yep, that little rip down in there. It probably penetrated through the rolls of film in there. And they probably connected, so the ground and the positive are in there connected, and that's why it blew. The electrons just blew on it. And then this one, likewise, they're probably parallel, so this guy sucked up juice, and that one just popped straight across. So yeah, I could probably take that out, and I should be able to boot this power supply, I think. We'll see. And then I can probably replace the cap and the capacitor and salvage it. But yeah, just a note of that. So it's good to learn this stuff because I'll probably ship with some mounting angle brackets or something, or some other method, because yeah, that's a dangerous spot. It's so stupid right there, whoever designed this. That's where the screw comes in, that hole right there from the outside, and then if you go too far, you're just screwed.